Come test drive the 2019 Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.